Hello everyone, today we will learn about angle. Now what is angle? Two rays having a common endpoint form an angle. See here two rays, ray OB and ray OA. Two rays having common endpoint is O. They form angle. This is the angle. The two rays forming an angle are called the arm of the angle. Ray OA and ray OB. These are called arm of angle. The common endpoint is called vertex of the angle. Vertex of the angle. See here, common endpoint is O. So O is the vertex of the angle. So these are three things which angles have. First one is two rays having common endpoint form angle. See here, two rays forming angles are called arms of the angle. So how many arms of this angle? Two arms, arm OA and OB. One common endpoint, and that endpoint is called vertex of the angle. Now the symbol, this stands for angle. If you see this symbol, it means it is a symbol of angle. So how to write the name of this angle? AOB, vertex in middle. AOB. This is the angle AOB. Or simply you write angle O. Or if it is given name of the angle, suppose the name of this angle is A, so simply you have to write angle A. In this way you can represent angle. Clear? Now what is the interior of the angle? Interior of the angle, that is AOB, area covered in between two arms of the angle, is called the interior of the angle. So if anything interior of the angle, anything lies interior on the angle, then it is called the inside of the angle. See here, point R is inside in the angles because it is present interior of the angle between the two arms of the angle. So anything which lies out of the angle, that is exterior of the angle, that is out of these arms of the angle, then that is called exterior of the angle or outside of the angle. So see here, point S lies outside of the angle. In this way you can say that this point is lies inside the angle, this point is lies outside the angle, or point R is lies interior in the angle, point S lies exterior of the angle. In this way you can understand what is angle, what are the arms of angle, and what is the vertex of angle. So, and what is the symbol of angle and how to write angles. In this way you can understand what is angle. If you have any queries, you can comment in comment box. Enjoy learning.